So today we'll be going. Welcome back. Today we'll be going to the so-called Evergreen Museum. So it's on our way to Sweet Falls. So it's kind of aesthetics place. So we'll be entering. So before that, I'll just share the location and links through the Google map and all. Just keep it the description and all. So we'll be entering again. So this is the Ever Living Museum. So if you come to this route, there'll be a straight way that leads to Sweet Falls side. So we'll begin the tour of the so-called Evergreen Museum. Let's enter. So they even have a parking space here. So you will see some kind of different kind of orchid or some place. Yellow orchid and all. Different types of trees and all. To the main museum. We'll be entering to the main museum. So this is the main museum. The route to the main museum. And the trail, I even see an ant here. The main museum of Evergreen Museum. I see some kind of logs or something. Yes. So this is the entrance. So we have finally entered the main museum. You'll see these things are actually made up of dead wood, so it is dried up. I think what are these things? See lots of some aesthetic. So this is actually traditional, the carry bag or something we call it. So everything is made up of bamboo and all. So this is it's written here, beloved mother. I think it's the owner. See lots of different things. These are traditional clothes and all. So you can see it here. And this thing, it seems like a drum and all, like that make I even see a trumpet here. And then here is some kind of warrior weapons, equipments. So we'll be moving down to the artistic. And then I see some kind of drums and all. That is, I think these things are played during the festivals and all. And a pot made of clay and all. It's all our pots made of clay. Those pots and all, it seems like they are made of iron and pottery or something. And then I see here some kind of terracotta or something. Yes. Oh, I even see here. I think you missed this. This thing actually. Oh, I even see a typewriter here. So everything is donated by someone. Whom so? These are honeybees or combs and all. It is well preserved, I think. And then it's written here ABC Khasi language here. English and Khasi. Plates made up of slate enclosed by modern frame or formerly used for student primary. It's written clearly. Okay. This thing is wonderful, I think. During the olden days, I think they used to play songs with this and all. It's written there, Mr. Lynch. Another one here. Old pottery. And then this is some kind of a hut or something. Here. And this is some kind of hut made with a leaf or grass, dried grass. And some kind of river harbor participation inside receptions. And then let me just clarify all the view. This was the recent moment that we just went through. This is the upstairs. Where we can see everything. Okay. So that one was the interior of the Evergreen Museum. So we'll be moving out toward the garden and all. So we just moved up from the Evergreen Museum. So we'll be moving outward, and then it's kind of spacious. So काफी space बहुत बड़ा है. It's kind of very relaxing and all. पूरा पेड़ पर भरा हुआ है यहाँ पे. This is the garden of Evergreen Museum. Look at this beautiful ants. They are crawling. I don't know where they're going. पूरा काफी ऊपर तक गया हुआ है. So यहाँ पर like different kind of orchid and all. These all are the garden. It seems like there is another stone museum. Yeah, stone museum. Stone museum. Mao means stone in a Khasi language. These all are different kind of plants. Wild orchid Meghalaya. What is written there? Orchid museum. Orthocharophycus utriu orchid jonka Meghalaya. I think it belongs to Meghalaya plants. Stone museum. So we'll be entering the stone museum. Wow, there are different kind of shells and all. These are corals from living corals of Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The person who collect all this is kind of very great. See, lots of collection of different type of shells are here. Type of shells. Let's see. And then there are different types of waterfalls of Meghalaya. Different type of shows, and oh, I have seen this thing in television also. What is written here? Ammonite fossils of Himalayan mountain. Wow, this is great, great collection. And another stones. What are these stones? Fossils of Meghalaya. Another, what is written here? Gourmet Congo meteorite of hard black stones with other stones found in Meghalaya. These stones, what is written here? Stone Age tools of Meghalaya. I think these stones are used by the early men to cut their vegetables and all. See, these stones and all, it look like a diamond and a crystal diamond. Or quartzite of Meghalaya. All quartzite of Meghalaya. It's well preserved. What are these stones? Weathering rock of Meghalaya. Wow. Different types of stones. And then what are this? Amber stones of Meghalaya. It seems like a black diamond for me. And one unique thing, what is this? Rising burnt coal of Meghalaya. Rising burnt coal. And another sheep. So it's kept inside a pot, and then along with it, water is kept along with it. As you can see, another different types of pictures and all available pictures. And you can see some kind of oval round stones. This is very unique. What is this written here? The ancient weight-lift stone of Garos kept in front of the bachelors' dormitory called Nokpante for access of they can project their own village. Wow, weightlifting. It will be kind of very heavy. And another, what is this? I think these stones, I think, what is written? Yeah, it's iron ore of Meghalaya. And another different type of stone here. What is written here? Beautiful stones of Meghalaya. Wow, another stone, eroded stone. I think these things are eroded by the volcanoes and all. Kind of sharp stones are available. This thing, mica of Meghalaya. This is mica of Meghalaya. It's kind of glittering like a diamond. And valuable pictures and all. Woman carrying a load of oranges, brooms, So after harvesting, this is actually the, what do you call, the raincoat or something, yeah. Stones is, it's worth visiting. It's worth visiting to this evergreen museum. So everything here, what is written here? Materials for our people and nature's bounties were gathered and shown for a generation to be seen, for presenting them lots of cares for kindly donate so you can help me. So do kindly donate something. So this was the whole part of the Stone Museum of Evergreen Museum. So that's then the video for that was it for today. So Evergreen Museum, so it's worth visiting. So if you come to this place, it's kind of very pleasant, and then you will see some kind of different types of stones and different types of wood potteries that are made of hand, like that is used by the early days of the Meghalaya people, and another different type of stone that is collected from different parts of India. And then if you come to this place, just say it, I'll just suggest you, like, you come and visit. It's worth visiting. It's on the way to Sweet Fall. It will be on the right side. Okay. Peace out. This is Amma Bend.